How to log in or open a Revolut account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log in or open up a Revolut account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create a Revolut account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Revolut app. Now make sure you've downloaded the app from your respective Play Store or your App Store. Now if you already do have an account, then you can just tap the login button over here. By default, enter the email address and the password of your account, and then you should be able to log in. Otherwise, you can just tap on the sign up option here. Make sure to enter the phone number correctly. You can choose a country code based on your country selection. Make sure to enter the phone number, verify it, and then you should be good to go. But if you already have created an account, then you can just tap on login and then just enter the phone number that you want to use for a Revolut account. Tap on the continue button and then just make sure to enter the passcode here, then just tap on OK. Once you've done that, if your password is correct, then you should be able to log in. Or else what you can do is just go ahead and enter the new password that you want to use, tap on the next option, and then you'll be successfully signed in to your Revolut account. That's it on how you can sign into a Revolut account or create one. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.